Big acreage properties here in Garrett County are hard to find, and my new listing in Swanton has 27 acres of absolutely beautiful property. Let's take a look at the top 5 reasons why you should make this your next home. The main level features a large kitchen, 2 bedrooms, a full bath, and access to the outside deck. Also on the main level above the garage is one of the best entertainment rooms I've seen in a long time. Check this out. The basement of this home is fully finished. It features a bedroom, a second kitchen, full bath, and a 2-car integral garage. Whether you're looking for a spot to store all of your toys, collector cars, or even operate a business, the 30 by 50 detached garage gives you a world of possibilities. Everybody loves space to sprawl out. This property is located on 27 beautiful acres, just a couple of miles away from Deep Creek Lake, less than a 10-minute drive to Jennings Randolph Lake, and close to all the state parks. I hope you've enjoyed this tour of my new listing here in Swanton. As a bonus, Crabtree Creek runs right through the front side of this property, so to access it, you have this really cool wooden bridge. This property is just a few miles to Deep Creek Lake and has really excellent access to 495, 135, and getting out to I-68.